The Body Shop has some of my favorite body care products, and I have here, it's heavy, the Body Shop Advent Calendar. They have 3 Advent calendars, and I decided this year to get the box of wishes and wonders, which is the biggest one. The 2 previous years I bought all 3 Advent calendars, but I think this one has the best value of all of them. We have a beautiful pop-up design, and the box is very similar to what we had last year. I don't mind that. It is reusable, recyclable. The Body Shop Advent Calendar retails for 139 euros. We have 25 products, and they claim that the overall value is 238 euros. Let's start unboxing. Day number 1, and the box is in front of my light. Oh my god. It looks like a full size of shower cream. Oops, I'm right. And this is the shower cream avocado for dry skin, green and creamy. I have tried the body butter in this scent and it is amazing. The avocado line is perfect for dry and sensitive skin. I love it. Let's sniff it. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells exactly like the body butter. I have tried a lot of shower creams by the Body Shop, and I'm gonna use that as well. Door number 2. Day number 2 here. Oh, it sounds like makeup. I'm going to say a mascara. Oops, it's not. This is the chamomile sumptuous cleansing butter with calming chamomile extract. This one is suitable for sensitive skin. Oh, it smells so good. All of the Body Shop products are great for aromatherapy. And let's go to day number 3. I'm going to say a shampoo, the banana shampoo. Am I even close? Oh, nope. This is the Edelweiss liquid peel. It is enriched with leodopodic acid, and this is for pollution clearing. We have 100 milliliters, so I'm guessing it is a full size. With this one you can gently exfoliate your skin to look fresher, smoother and more luminous. So this is the first time that we have it in an advent calendar. I have never tried it before. I'm super excited. After that, day number 4. That sounds like makeup again. Oh no, I know what it is. It is the lip butter. Yeah. Not even close. This is the Mango Hand Balm for dry skin, and it can provide 96 hours of nourishing moisture. And we have 30 milliliters. You know what time it is? Sniffing time. It smells amazing. And I need to remind you, I don't like the mango scent in products. It's a very light mango scent that even I like. Next, door number 5. Ooh, it is fully packed. Okay, so I'm going to say again a shampoo, a banana shampoo. Nope. We have here the Boost Exfoliating Hand Wash with mandarin and bergamot. Bergamot? I'm killing it. And it is made of 95% ingredients of natural origin. This is definitely the full size. I'm curious if... Oh my god. Okay. I really want to sniff this as well. Oh, it smells very... Oops. That's a very bad idea to do here. It smells so good. It is actually what it says. It doesn't say on the packaging how often you can use this exfoliating hand wash. And this one here is 100% recycled and recyclable plastic bottle. That's very nice. Let's go now to door number 6. I think it is very short to be a shower cream or shower gel or shampoo or conditioner. I'm going to say the body butter. Nope. We have here the Moringa shampoo for dull hair. It can provide shine and protection with vegan silk protein. Moringa is not my favorite scent from all of the scents that the Body Shop has. Yeah, not my favorite, so you know what happens. It goes to my husband. We are both huge fans of the Body Shop products. Here we have door number 7. This looks like a lip butter. Ta-da! It is called the lip balm. Did they change the name? Was it always lip balm? This is a strawberry born lippy lip balm. The strawberry products smell super amazing and delicious. They don't have the artificial strawberry scent. So this is a full size. It can take you a year for sure. Up next, we have something very soft. This is door number 8. Maybe this is an exfoliating, how is it called? Exfoliating glove. I was gonna say hand. Oh, it's a loofah! We also had this last year. I have tried it. It doesn't work for me. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. It's not easy to use it. You know, directions for a loofah. It says on the tag, we have replaced our plastic bath lilies with Rimmel, a natural plant-based fiber. That's nice. It goes to my husband as well. By the way, I forgot to mention, some of the doors have a pop-up design also on the box. Adorable. This one doesn't. This is the Moringa conditioner for dull hair, shine and protection with vegan silk protein like the shampoo. Yeah, let's sniff this. Oops. We have some spill out. It is a bearable scent. I just don't like this Moringa. This one contains 250 milliliters. It is a full size. Moving on to day number 10, and now we have a pop-up design. Okay, I hear something liquid. I'm gonna say a toner. Found it, and this is a vitamin E hydrating toner with protective vitamin E and moisturizing wheat germ oil. This one is for all skin types. Oh, it is a very light scent. It smells very natural. This can take you for 10 to 12 months, I believe. Day number 11. Where are you? It's here. It is fully packed. Oh, it is a sheet mask. Yes, this is the vitamin E Quench sheet mask. It is enriched with natural origin hyaluronic acid from Pomacol, France and wheat germ oil. After 15 minutes, thirsty skin feels hydrated, softer and smoother. We have a biodegradable sheet. Also, it is suitable for all skin types. I have used it again and my skin was looking super smooth. This product is great for a self-care day. This is day number 12. I'm going to say a shower gel because we didn't have any. Shower gels and shower creams are not the same. Nope, this is a mango bath blend. It creates a hydrating bath foam with mango seed oil, carrot and passion fruit extract. Let's sniff it. Oh, it smells very mango-y. It goes to my husband. Door number 13. I think it is a body butter. I think that's the size. Oh, wrong again. This is the British Rose Body Yogurt. It is enriched with community trade organic almond milk from Spain. I have tried the body yogurt in almond and it has a more lightweight formula than the body butters. If you have very dry skin, I suggest the body butters, not the body yogurt, but this one is also very hydrating. It smells amazing. I have tried the scent in shower creams, shower gels. Yeah, shower gels. I also had a body butter. This is a full size. I think so far we only got full size products. Thumbs up. This is door number 14. I think it is a sharpener. Let's see. It's not. And we have here the almond milk lip care stick for dry and sensitive lips. This provides nourishing moisture. I've never tried their lip balms. Let's sniff it. It smells exactly like all of the other products in the almond milk line. This one is great for winter time. I'm hoping it is as nourishing as it claims. Next, door number 15. Every year they have hairpins, so I'm gonna say hairpins. Oh no. I think we also had this last year and I never used it. I found it on their website. I think this is it because the picture just shows this area here. The name is Drench Sponge. It is a lot stiffer and I really like the color of it. I don't know if it is for exfoliating. It doesn't say on the website. I'm gonna search again and I will put here the name of the product because I'm not sure that this is a sponge. Anyways, and moving on to day number 16. I think this is heavier than a lip butter, but lip balm. I'm gonna say a lip balm. I forgot that they have this type of face masks, and this one is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. This is the first mini product. We have 15 milliliters, and I have tried this again. Yeah, it is this one. It smells so nice, so fresh. It is so good, and I've tried it again. As I was saying, it looks disgusting on the face, I'm gonna be honest. I mean, look at the color. Mine is almost over, and I'm very happy that I got it. Oh boy, 17 is a huge box. I'm guessing it is a shower cream. I'm very close. This is a shower gel in pink grapefruit. It is for all skin types. It says it is zingy and refreshing. Oh no, it's so tight. I want to sniff it. There is another way. This is very grapefruity. However, I have tried the shower gel again, and it doesn't give a very strong scent of grapefruit on your skin. We have one more full size. That's why I wanted this advent calendar, because the other two always have a lot of mini products, and in the end you just save 10 euros or 20 euros, which is not a lot for advent calendars. Let's see, where is door number 18? Okay, here it is. I think it is a serum or a face oil. What is this? So this is the Sugar Body Scrub in mango. Why mango again? For dry skin, rich and smoothing, and also exfoliation. It actually smells nice. Maybe I'm gonna use it. It doesn't have that artificial chemical mango scent. Day 19 has a pop-up design as well. I'm going to say the makeup remover. They have a milky one. Nope. At this point, I think I found one or two doors. This is the body lotion to oil in avocado for normal to dry skin, and it can provide 72 hours skin softening moisture. It definitely smells amazing. Yeah, super good. And this one is made of 94% natural ingredients. It is fully packed. We always want that. After that, door number 20 is a smaller. I think it is another lip balm. I don't have it in this video. This is the British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask. And again, it is a mini with 15 milliliters. This is how it looks. It smells so nice. Let's continue with day 21. I'm going to say hand cream. Oh my god, I found it. And this is the Almond Milk Hand Balm for dry sensitive skin, and it can provide 96 hours nourishing moisture. I like the formula of their hand creams because it is not sticky and it is fast absorbing, which is what you want from a hand cream. Day 22. Oh, this is definitely a sheet mask. Yep, found it, and this is the Edelweiss Serum Concentrate Sheet Mask. It is enriched with leodophodic acid and peptides. I have no idea what is this leodophodic acid. This mask can smooth and protect your skin, and I'm guessing it is biodegradable as well. It doesn't say so. Most likely I'm gonna use it today after removing all of this makeup. Let's go to day 23. It is loud but not so heavy. I have no clue. What should I say? I'm gonna say a hand cream. Wrong again. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Skin Clarifying Night Peel. What is this? First of all, let's see the packaging. Ooh, super cute. You can use 2-3 drops onto dry and clean face 3 times a week in the evenings. Basically, this one is an exfoliating product. That's why you're not using it every day. So I don't think I'm gonna keep it since it is for combination and oily skin. After that, day 24, this is definitely a body butter. It is the size, it is the weight. Ta-da! Finally, I found something, And this one is the Shea Body Butter for very dry skin, and it can provide 96 hours of nourishing moisture. The shea and the almond milk lines are great for dry skin and also sensitive skin. On their website they also say that you can use this if you have psoriasis or eczema. What happened here? Okay, and it smells so good. I love the scent. They have changed the packaging last year. I really like the new one. Moving on to day 25. Oops, yeah, not happening on camera. It's very heavy, fully packed. Maybe another shower cream. Zoop. This is the Sleep Calming Pillow Mist with lavender and vetiver with 100% natural essential oils. If you have any sleeping issues, always talk with your doctor first. Don't start using products blindly. Some of you told me that you can also use this as aromatherapy, like a mist in the living room or maybe in the bathroom. Maybe I can use it that way. It is also a full size. It smells amazing, by the way. They did a very good job with the variety of the products, and we also got 22 full sizes. So I'm gonna give this advent calendar 5 stars. If you want an advent calendar with more makeup products, you can watch the unboxing of the MAC advent calendar.